Now, amid the showdown that seems to be happening over Agniveer, Times Now has also accessed fresh documentary evidence of the fund transfer to another family of an Agniveer. We have Sagarika joining us right now with the details. What are the details when it comes to the fund transfer that has now been reported, Sagarika?
The document that we are talking about is from the Defence Accounts Department, and what does it say? It's Central Agniveer's Pay Accounts Office, and this is the immediate payment settlement, that is insurance payable in cases of death, and the amount made was 48 lakh rupees. And as Sabyasachi was also pointing out, the claim that has been made by the Congress party seems to be falling flat after this document comes out. So 48 lakh rupees was paid by the Defence Accounts Department, and the rest of the amount, like mentioned by the family, was paid via insurance. So this is how the claim made by the Congress is crumbling, that the Agniveer's family did not get any compensation from the government. The document goes on to put the numbers and the figures in black and white.
Well, that's the point there. It is now on record. Sagarika, thank you. Sabyasachi, if you can take that question, because if the Indian Army is fact-checked, there are documents to prove that. What exactly is the kind of line that the Congress party seems to be taking? Because that very same comment of Rahul Gandhi now cannot be played out because it's been expunged, it's been taken off the record.
Well, absolutely. See, that particular comment of Mr. Rahul Gandhi has been removed from the record. See, when time and again Mr. Rajnath Singh was interjecting and objecting Mr. Gandhi that he should not spread false narrative. After that also we had seen that from the Congress party, they have been accusing the BJP and saying that the BJP government have not kept their promises of providing 1 crore rupees to the kin of Agniveer. After that, the Ministry of Defence, in fact, have put out a long statement, after which also we had seen that this particular narrative from the Congress party continues to come in, where they claim that they have actually met the family members of the Agniveer. In fact, Rahul Gandhi have gone to those particular locations. They have in fact said that how Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh have failed to meet the family members of Agniveer. See, yesterday when the Congress from their official social media account had put out the video of Mr. Rahul Gandhi speaking with the family members, immediately after that the Defence Ministry put out a long statement stating that around 98 lakh rupees has been given to the family members, and around 67 lakh rupees of ex gratia would be soon given to them. Right. And clearly after the video that has come in from Ajay Kumar's family claiming that they have received 98 lakhs, clearly put rest to all the allegation and claims which has been made by the Congress party and Mr. Rahul Gandhi.
All right, Sabyasachi, thank you for that. As far as the details that are also concerned when it comes to the transfer of funds, the statement that came in on part of Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh and in the Indian Army themselves coming out to fact check, these are the facts that have now been put on table and on record.